Hi friends, today we'll be making mulberry cheesecake. There are 3 steps. So in the first step, I've taken some digestive biscuit. Now I will be grinding 250 grams of digestive biscuits. I have grinded the biscuit very well. Now I'll be adding 5 tablespoons of butter. I've taken unsalted butter. The butter and the biscuits really well. Remember, take 5 tablespoons of butter and then melt it properly and then add in the biscuits. Take a baking tray or a borosilicate container and brush well with butter. Don't leave the sides also. Pour the biscuit mixture. Now I'm making the first layer. Spread it well. Take any container, small container, and press it lightly to make it uniform. So my first layer is done. Now I'll refrigerate it for just half an hour. And for the second layer, I have taken 200 grams of cream. Now I'll be adding 200 grams of melted cheese. Add 4 tablespoons of sugar. Whisk it well till it becomes smooth. Now I've taken 1/4 cup of hot milk and I'll add 1 tablespoon of gelatin. Mix it well. Now I'll be adding the gelatin and the milk, and I have added a handful of berries. I'll whisk it for another 2 minutes. Now pour the second mixture. Now for the sauce, I'll take 3 tablespoons of sugar, half cup of water, 1 tablespoon of gelatin, now 250 grams of mulberry, and mix it well till it becomes a nice syrup. My mulberry sauce is ready. Now I'll let it cool down for some time, then I'll put the third layer. It took me exactly 13 minutes. Keep on stirring while doing this. Put it in the fridge for 4 hours. This was sitting in the fridge for 4 hours. It has nicely set. You can see 2 layers have formed. Now I'll make the last layer. Spread it nicely. My mulberry cheesecake is ready. Now it is ready to serve.